Follow these steps to remove TikTok restricted mode. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to the profile page. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now head towards the option settings and privacy. Different sections will appear. Under content and display, you'll find the option of content preferences. Click on that option. TikTok's restricted mode is a feature designed to limit the exposure of mature or inappropriate content in the app. When enabled, it filters out videos that may not be suitable for all audiences, making the app safer for younger users or those who prefer to avoid certain types of content. If you want to disable it, click on the option Restricted Mode. Now click on Turn Off. Enter your passcode to turn off restricted mode. In case you have forgotten your passcode, you can click on this option and go through the process. Or else, type in your passcode and click on Next. Now here, provide a reason what made you turn off restricted mode. Then you can click on Submit. So this is how you can easily remove TikTok restricted mode. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.